right, so moving forward to our next segment, this is what we call the Instagram raid. So we'll be flashing photos from your Instagram accounts, and we will ask you to sing the song that best describes that moment. So are you ready? Are you G?
Is it just like rapid fire, just whatever song pops up?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Harmonizing.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So the first photo is.
Oh. Okay.
The first one. The first photo.
Oh my gosh. The first one.
First photo first.
First photo.
All right.
Okay, the first one.
Gabby. Oh, she's smiling really beautifully.
So what song?
I mean, you just look really happy, so cause I'm happy, clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Yeah.
Love it. So where was that taken?
I don't remember.
I can't remember that.
I think it was when we were filming content at someone's house.
So our researcher must have done something right because
Yeah, we really cannot remember. This is a long
time ago. Yeah. All right. So next photo. Yeah. Bernie.
Oh. Woman, let me be your woman. Woman, woman, woman. Let me be your woman. I don't know. It's giving like boss energy. Yeah. It's giving woman.
Yeah. Love it. Next photo. Oh. It seems like you're inspired or
Oh goodness.
Sunshine.
breathless.
Sunshine in it. Till the rain on your skin, no one else can feel it for you. Only you can let it in. No one else can speak the words on your lips.
Wow. Amazing. Next photo, please.
Oh,
Who's that?
DJ Tiger Lily, we love her.
she's our friend in Australia. She's a DJ and she's
Oh.
the sweetest person in the world. A DJ song? Oh, not a DJ song.
Titanium.
Oh yeah. Hey hey DJ, you play that song all night, on and on and on. Yeah.
Amazing. Let's give them a big round of applause, virtual applause, guys. I can listen to them all day long.
Thank you.